Hi, this is
He
Living
just beat himself to death.
Okay, this is Living Gamer TV here, and there's a bird in the house. And it won't come out. Come on, birdie. Get out. It's a house bench. It won't come out. Guys, it won't come out. Look how cute it is. It's a little birdie. Wait, where'd it go?
You get it out?
No. Where's it gonna go?
Stupid.
Oh, he still hasn't. Oh.
He's just going to beat himself to death.
I know.
You can't catch him.
It's outside.
Watch out, they'll
It's
fly right in your face.
It's outside.
Is it outside?
Yeah, it's outside.
No, it isn't. Outside the screen.
Oh.
Okay, you didn't bring the phone.
Oh no! It's stuck. Get out! It's stuck. Get out!
Well, leave him alone.
It's
Leave him alone. Don't keep him riled up.
It's stuck.
Yeah, I know it.
Okay, guys, this is a little crazy.
This is a huge...
This bird. Is trapped in the porch. Don't know what to do.
Okay, go down. Now you're out. Hey.
You go out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I said Barry, Vermont.
Is he outside?
I said
You
I.
got away.
Huh?
You got away.
Good.
Well, where is he?
There's nobody
I
there.
know where he is right now.
Went off like a bird.
Oh.
Flew off like a bird.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I just wanted to show you the bird that was in the house. I know that's pretty crazy to you, but I'm gonna end this video here.